Okay, guys, this is the best deal I've seen on Parrot Bebop 2 with the cockpit glasses and the Sky Controller 2. That's a second generation Sky Controller 2. And the black and white Bebop 2. And the cockpit glasses 2, the original ones. Anyway, $194.99 from TechRabbit is unbelievable. That's the best price I've ever seen on the entire FPV kit. And I've done a lot of business with these guys, and they're awesome, and they have quick, free shipping, and you can't go wrong with this thing. Oh my God! At $194.99, this drone outclasses absolutely everything in that price bracket, and I think it outclasses everything up until you get to the Anafi. So there you go. $194.99. All right, folks. Happy shopping.